not the best day, but decided to take the family out with the French bulldogs. We're going to head up to the Cess, which is up the Arahura River. So just following a four-wheel drive track. It's part of the West Coast Cycle Trail, and then we sort of detour off onto the track. Just left the car park, got the Arahura River off to my right, and we'll drop down into it soon. So I'm about 45 minutes in. We're just following the four-wheel drive track because I've cleared out a lot of the track. Don't know what that's for, but anyways, usually we just follow the side of the river, and today I just wanted to check out the actual four-wheel drive track, see what this is like, what it's about. But I think we're pretty close to dropping down to the Cess swing bridge. So if you follow this track, it'll take you all the way to the Lower Arahura Hut, and then you can actually loop around to the Styx. That's one that I would absolutely love to do, but that'll have to be at a later date. So this is clear proof how quickly the weather can turn. It was sunny just before, and now we're starting to bolt back to the car because it's starting to rain. It's West Coast weather for you.